Funky.
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. Here we have another package from Shoe Shame. Shoe Shame is our Swedish brand for shoe care products. And Shoe Shame has a web shop, of course, but also a physical shop in Stockholm where you can buy products and also leave your shoes to get cleaned. And that's really cool. We need something like that here. And the other day they had some small mini event at a store, and the Sneaker Swede posted a picture of a small sling bag that looked really cool to me. And I remembered that I also need some dust bags. I really like the dust bags, very useful, both because I usually always have a pair of extra shoes with me. So I just put them in a bag and carry the bag with me. And even if I have the shoes in a larger bag, I want to protect the other things from my dirty shoes. So the dust bags are great. Also, when using the clear boxes that I do, to protect the suede sneakers or the white sneakers, I also use the dust bags. So they are great. And then I got curious about this little bag. Thank you. And a gift bag. Yeah, guess so. I saw on the pictures that it looked small, a little bit too small for my taste or for my use actually. But still, I really liked it. And I'm gonna show you why, and I'm gonna experience it myself. So first of all, they call it the Vapor bag. I don't know why they choose the name Vapor. And it's water repellent. Oh, I just remembered. Why didn't I order repellent spray? It's been raining constantly here in Malmö. I forgot to order repellent spray or impregnation spray or whatever it's called in English. So this is made together with a company called Ucon Acrobatics. And in the case, that is water repellent, and the zipper is absolutely waterproof, as I can see, with rubber tips on the zipper eyelet so it doesn't make a noise. Very good. We have some products inside it also. And the price was, I believe it was 70 euro. You get the products and the small bag. So the brush, I'm guessing this is the shampoo. Shoe deal, so the shoe smells good. The cleaning gel. And then we have the wipes that I always have with me. At least 2 of them, always have with me. Let me see if there is. I really dig the bag. So first of all, the bag is small, water repellent, waterproof zipper. In the front pocket, you can fit not a phone, but your keys and cards. We have the handle in the rear. Why doesn't all sling bags have a simple handle like this? This is what I'm looking for, because I usually carry it in my hand. We have a small shoulder strap that is larger in the middle, so it's more comfortable. The strap looks way too small for me to carry crossbody, but we will see about that. And in the main pocket, we have a strap for your keys, PVD coated. The main pocket, 2 pockets on the side, and a small pocket on the inside for your most important stuff. I really dig this. I really do. I wish it was larger, so I'm gonna check with Ucon Acrobatics and see if they have something very similar but larger. So if I open it as much as I can, see if I can wear it crossbody. Yeah, I think so. I really dig this bag. Could have been bigger so I can fit all my things. I don't know what we call this, if it's like 1 liter. Let me see if it says something about the size. Yeah, one more thing. It's vegan and is made from old plastic bottles. So it's environment friendly as well. All our products are water repellent and vegan. The woven fabrics are made from recycled PET bottles. Upcyclable waste material. We carry, we cure. Nothing about the size. It takes about 20 plastic bottles to make one bag. Yeah, I dig it. I dig it a lot. And use those smart things that many expensive sling bags doesn't think about, like rubber protecting the eyelids on a zipper so it doesn't make a lot of sound when you're walking. The handle, every bag should have that. I'm gonna use this, even though if I will not fit all my things, but I'm gonna fit as much as possible and use it. And Shoe Shame, yeah, shoe care products, check their website. I'm gonna buy the repellent spray or impregnation spray, I'm unsure about the English name. And I also noticed that other siblings company to Shoe Shame has a lot of shoe care products for dress shoes. And they got some things that I really want. So check out for that video. That's it for the bag. Vapor bag, Shoe Shame with Ucon Acrobatics. Cool looking bag, and for the price, you get the products, you get the bag for 70 euro. That is great. Thanks for watching. Check out the next video.